Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that India bought 10 units of K9 self propelled 155 howitzer from South Korea and assembled the same with help of L&T and handed it over to Indian Army. The manufacturer of the howitzer is Hanwha Techwin of South Korea, and this company has joined hands with Indian company L&T Limited to supply 100 K9 Vajra guns for the Indian Army. If we take a quick recap, in September 2015, L&T emerged as the finalist for a 800 million US dollar contract to supply 100 self-propelled howitzers to Indian Army. The K9 Vajra T, which is a variant of K9 Thunder of South Korea, has to be specifically designed for operation in the desert areas. As per the latest update, looks like the 91st K9 Vajra has been flagged off from the L&T facility. As of January 2021, 91 units have been delivered, and based on the different sources, as I said before, it looks like the 91st K9 Vajra T was flagged off by Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani on January 11, 2021, and this happened in the Armored System Complex in Hazira. The good thing to mention here is the early delivery of the unit by the company. Induction of the entire fleet of 100 K9 Vajra T howitzers is expected to be completed very soon, and this deal included the engineering and maintenance support and the necessary transfer of technology from Hanwha Defense of South Korea. As mentioned above, K9 Vajra T is an Indian variant of K9 which is manufactured by Lawson and Tobro under license, consisting of 50% component, including the 14 major subsystems developed by Indian companies. This K9 Vajra T has been customized as per desert conditions to suit the borders where it would be deployed. So that was all about the history of how Indian Army selected the South Korean Vajra T self-propelled howitzers and how many orders were placed. Now let us see quickly some quick facts about this self-propelled gun in bulleted points. Globally, this howitzer is called as K9 Thunder, but whereas the one built for India is called as K9 Vajra T. The K9 Vajra is manufactured in Armored Systems Complex developed by L&T at Hazira near Surat in Gujarat. This Armored System Complex is country's first private facility where the K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer guns are manufactured. The guns features up to 75% indigenous content and weighs around 50 tons. The K9 Vajra can fire 47 kg of bombs to a range of 43 km targets. The air conditioning units, the auxiliary power units, the running gear, the hydraulics, the structural assemblies, the ammunition handling equipment, and 14 other key subsystems have been developed by India by L&T. The 100 howitzers production has been set a deadline of 42 months, and per unit cost of the K9 Thunder is 26 crores in Indian rupees. And the Vajra T costs almost 45 crores per gun. The Vajra T has all welded steel armor up to 19 thickness, and this is capable of withstanding 14.5 armor piercing rounds. The K9 Vajra is a self-propelled artillery system, meaning that it doesn't need to be towed behind an artillery truck like the Bofors 155 cannon or M777 howitzers. Mobility is provided via a 1000 horsepower engine. A thermal warning device is fitted as standard, and this feeds the temperature of the barrel to the digital fire control system. And this digital fire control system can fire multiple rounds that can impact a given area at the same time. This gun is 12 meter long, 3.4 meters wide, and 2.73 meters high. The gun traverse is plus 70 degree to minus 2.5 degrees with 360 degree rotation because it also has a hydraulically powered turret. The K9 Vajra has night vision feature, and the same is offered as standard in all variants of K9. The K9 is crewed by 5 members, a commander, a driver, a gunner, and 2 loaders, and this should be the same for the Vajra T since the dimensions are the same. As per L&T, the company exceeded the indigenous manufacturing with the help of a young team of engineers and specialized them in manufacturing the automation and integration with the help of its in-house team of weapon system experts as well as by training at Hanwha facilities in South Korea. So these were the details about the orders placed by India for the South Korean K9 Vajra, which is manufactured in India by L&T. We also saw vital characteristics and features of this self-propelled howitzers and also the update regarding flagging of the 91st unit of K9 Vajra from L&T facility. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.